He always gets this crazy here.
I want you to open it.
Oh, what could it be? Oh,
It's a gun.
no.
Yes! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gunny gun. Gunny gun. Okay.
Oh,
you
I think it's just for Jack.
I think it's for you.
What? It's for me?
But-
Yay!
But what do we do with guns? We don't play with them outside, right? We play them in our house. Yeah. We don't shoot. We don't shoot it at people, right?
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
This is the cool gun everywhere.
It's the coolest gun anybody
Oh
has.
my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It's got lots of shooting things.
Let me see what's on there. Let me.
Oh yeah!
I know. It's a rocket launcher.
Rocket launcher!
That's a
It's
better.
a rocket launcher. It's not a gun.
Dad!
Now, what do you say? What do you say, to Uncle Mark?